I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go.
Hello, this is DEMPIMAA and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want you to join me on this journey of figuring out what to use my leftover fabrics for. Okay, let's get right into it. So help me figure out what to use this one for. I don't know. This is a chunk of fabric I cut for, I can't remember what I sewed with this, but I found it in my pieces of leftover fabrics. And I don't have a lot, but yeah. So there's royal blue here, so I think I'm going to use this too for something. It's not really big. It's going to be, I think I'm going to use it for just a top. Yeah, like combining this two. And yes, and this is a leftover fabric I use for this shirt. So I don't know, I think I have to go to Pinterest for some inspiration, so join me. Okay, well, am I excited? I don't know. Yes, and I have this one too. I think I'm going to get a fabric, like a plain fabric, and I'm going to use this one because this is very small. Let's check the inches of this. Ooh. It's half a yard, like it's very small. So you're going to join me on me figuring out what to use my leftover fabrics for, because I can't do it on my own. I don't know. This fabric is so cute. I think I'm going to get a black fabric and I'm going to use it as a shirt, like what I'm wearing, and I'm going to use this side like this and use, I don't know what to use it for, but I think okay, we'll figure it out together. Yes, and there is this one. Let's finish with this one. I don't know, I think I'm going to use this for this. It will be cute. It'll be really cute. And when you were a designer, when you were creative, you end up criticizing yourself the most when it comes to your work. You end up wanting it to be so perfect, so you end up being frustrated at it. You end up destroying it, sleeping, waking up, and creating a masterpiece out of it, but not giving up. Okay, you don't give up. So this beautiful fabric, this was the inspiration for this fabric, but I lost interest after I finished sewing it. I lost interest. I don't know why I lost interest, but I lost interest. But this is a beautiful fabric. It's a denim look-alike fabric. It's so pretty. I don't know if I bring it closer to the camera, you're going to see it, but you're going to see it when I cut it and all that. So yeah, so there's it. I think it was 2 yards or 3 yards. Yeah. It's just that I'm going to figure out what to do with it. And this too. Ooh, I think I didn't mess this dress up. It's complete. But this is it. This is the dress. This is how it's supposed to look. But during the process of it, I don't know what happened. I think I lost interest again. Yeah, then I left it. But I thought I messed it up, but it's complete. I think I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this. So join me on this journey of figuring out what to do with my leftover fabrics. I can't wait to create a masterpiece out of it. I don't know. I advise that you shouldn't throw your leftover fabrics away, no matter how small it is, because you're going to need it. Yeah, you're going to need it, and you can create something cute out of it still, so don't throw it away, keep it. So like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you can get an update on how I'm turning my leftover fabrics into a masterpiece. Bye.